Oh, greetings everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel, Bayou Alchemy, Nappy Root Magic. This segment I'm here to do a meditation message, a time to relax. These are inspirational messages to help you, to aid you in your journey while supporting your well-being. How this works, I use this meditation deck. And each card has a particular picture and a message that's to help you, encourage you, uplift you, guide you in life. You use the cards as yantras. It's a geometric diagram or it's any object, like you see they got various pictures. And they're used to aid in meditation. Basically it's a tool for focus. So Spirit, what's the card of the day for the collective? So it's the Beehive. It says, worries often buzz around our heads like bees around a hive, creating a perpetual background hum of anxiety. To help retune your mind, image a hive surrounded by honeybees. Each bee represents a niggling problem. Now visualize the bees disappearing one at a time into the hive, and notice how your mind also quiets. Okay, so this particular card is a visualization exercise. So Spirit is encouraging you if you're feeling high anxiety or any type of anxious or whatever, have you hyped up in a negative way to where you need to calm down. They're asking you to visualize. You can use this picture or whatever the hive looks like in your mind. So visualize a beehive surrounded by honeybees. And they're saying each one of the bees represents something, something problematic to you. And they're saying visualize the bees disappearing one at a time. They all going into the hole in a hive. And as they go away, as they disappear into the hive, they're saying, notice how you quiet down and how your body relaxes and your mind relaxes. All right. Spirit, what's the crystal card to go with the beehive? It's the Golden Healer, number 27. Golden Healer, and this represents unlimited healing. Golden healers are embedded with powerful transformation healing energies. They are a catalyst for profound spiritual activation, self-understanding. Understand the quantum world helps you understand yourself. The everyday self is bounded by 5 senses, explained by a 6 metaphysics, but this can be transcended to move into a field that is non-local, everywhere and nowhere at once. Where there is, excuse me, but there is no time, you create the event being observed. Allow your soul rather than your ego to be your guide. Divination. Recognize your potential to be an amazing healer. Your abilities need honoring, and those who heal are soul structure, soul source to develop empathy. Much in your life needs transforming. Surrender willingly to the process. Someone clinging to the past holds you back. Encourage them to let go. You may be asked to transform your environment to work. Uh, you may be asked to transform your environment or take a challenging task. Do so with grace and ease. Healing insight. Healing flows through you. It's a process, not something to do. And the frequency is also exceptionally high. The chakras are the soul star. So this complements the soul star and stellar gateway, and it aligns and cleanses all your chakras. The timing of this crystal is every moment. So it could mean all signs. Path, soul path, a channel for Christ consciousness. All right, ultimate healing. So basically it's telling you if anyone suffering from anxiety or something is healing. So this message is for maybe, if you're feeling anxious, just a quick little meditation to help calm you down and bring healing to yourself. And it also talks too about people from your past holding you back, because I'm going to talk a little bit about that. I have someone from my past. Oh, look, this is the message too, so you can see for yourself about the beehive. But I have someone, I don't know, it was pretty recently. I don't know if they still at it or not, holding me back from future. I don't know. It's like they blocking me or trying to. So I'm asking you to let me go, let my energy go. The damage been done. It's time to move on. That's the best message I could give to you. There's no going back. I love you from a distance, but we got to keep moving in life. Period. Goodbye. So with that being said, I see y'all when I see y'all. And y'all need to tell that to whoever y'all need to as well.